So it's Saturday, the next to the last day of the holiday, and we're going on a one-day tour of the Mekong Delta. This is just like the service station stop on the way, but at least they've made an effort making it look nice. There's a lacquer workshop here. There's a place that's making all different sorts of breads, demonstrating that. There's obviously, you know, selling you anything you care to buy. But it's a nice clean place. So we're doing a tour of the islands now on the boat. Sorry, Peter. We're going for lunch on one of the islands and going to visit, well, everything on planet apparently. The busy schedule. I think this drink, it's the local honey. It's pollen. Kumquat.
Poland?
Hot water.
Where?
Poland.
Poland. Okay.
Poland, yeah. This is our guide.
Very caramel.
Hello.
Hello, hi. I'm Kong. I'm from Vietnam.
Yeah.
This is the Poland.
Poland.
Where are you from?
I'm still from Yorkshire in England.
England. Oh, I forgot. Manchester.
I'm on your bus, yeah. We've just had a taste of the honey wine.
This one is a fresh honey tea.
They didn't tell me that we're going to actually see beehives.
Okay, look at me please. Everyone. You see? This one. Sweet. So sweet.
Never thought I'd get so close to a beehive. Now the tourist thing to do around here is to stick your finger into a load of bees so that you can taste the honey. That's what they're all doing, sticking the finger straight into it. Is it? What sort of snake is it?
Python.
Python.
Có phải tay run. Tôi treo đuôi cho một trứng quần luôn.
Okay. That's one. Open. Okay, now I will open for you. How to open? Ooh. Cock, you can eat.
Can eat,
yeah.
Let me.
So 5 kilo presses, then you get your coconut milk. Yeah, it's all like.
Then you mix coconut milk with sugar. You make candy.
As if it's not warm enough, you've got bloody fire, and then they look at all these big vats of it here. I will actually say the finished product. So we're having a fruit and tea ceremony. Long ones. And we've got being serenaded. Hello.
Hỡi người dũng hát từ phương xa mới đến. ghé thăm miền sông nước quê. Xin được mời vị ngọt xứ này là trái chính em trao gửi trọn các tâm.
This lady's carving by hand. All the scenes up here. So some of you might be seeing these when Father Christmas comes. Aren't they gorgeous? We're going on a little paddle canoe thing now, but there's more blooming boats than water. It's practically impossible. Just do some boat hopping, eh? Hopefully we're going to get out into a channel. Talk about a bloody traffic jam, it's ridiculous. Eh? Oh, we're speeding ahead now. Flipping it. Just saying, this is what's called a victim of their own success. They're getting quite aggressive with each other, pushing each other out of the way. This is a bit slightly more pleasant. It's a bit we've seen without any other boats. I think it's a one-way ticket this. They're taking us one way because all boats coming back opposite way are empty.
Janice has just decided to cross this pond. Not an overly... Yeah, not... fairly basic bridge. But the wires and things like that are really hot on it.